Nothing bothers me more than smudges on my glasses. That's why I love Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner. What I love about Peeps is that it's safe to use for my lenses. It never scratches or damages them. Before Peeps, I cleaned my glasses with the corner of whichever shirt I was wearing. That usually left either more smudges or even small scratches. I did this because it was convenient, but with the compact design of Peeps, I can bring it in my pocket and clean my lenses wherever I go.
Peeps Glasses Cleaner, and it's this little guy right here. And it can open up on both sides. And here with a little button, when you push it, there's like this brush situation going on. You can use the brushes to brush off the debris on the side of the glasses. You can open this up. On the other side, there's these tongs, and you can slip your glasses right in between and clean it like so. And these fabrics has the same kind of carbon molecular technology used by NASA, so I think that's pretty cool. And the best thing about this is that it's super small, compact size, so you can just bring it anywhere you go.
There's a brush that extends to remove debris, and it has these cute little cleaning arms, almost like tweezers. Use that cute little extendable brush that I showed you earlier. It can clean over 500 times. Second, you use the cleansing pads and you just wipe it across the lenses. It's extremely easy. It gets into all the nooks and crannies.
The new Peeps Eyeglass Cleaner. So the first step is to flip up this very durable brush. It is soft but firm. You're going to need to use that to remove any kind of dust or debris from your lenses. So just a quick swipe across the surface to make sure that you don't buff any of that in. So next we're going to go in with the tongs, which is step 2. These are coated with the same carbon molecular technology that NASA uses, and they are good for 500 cleanses. So you're just going to put these right over the lenses and then apply a little bit of pressure, and these do an amazing job at hitting every nook and cranny. They are just the perfect shape, and it does make for a crystal clear glass finish.
Now since I've started using Peeps, they keep my glasses crystal clear every time. Eco-friendly and easy to use, I take them with me everywhere. Peeps use the same carbon molecular technology that NASA uses.
Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner using a two-step system. First, you will want to remove any dirt or dust from your lens with the brush like so. Next, you will free your cleaning arms from your holder, rubbing the carbon cleaning pads across your lens, making sure to get every nook and cranny.
Today I'm going to show you the two-step method to clean my glasses with the Peeps tool. Built-in brush to wipe away any loose debris. Now, I currently clean my glasses with the cloth that came with them, but this new solution uses the same carbon molecular technology used by NASA, and there are no messy sprays or dirty cloths to hassle with. Also, this very compact design makes it super easy, especially if you're traveling. You just put it in your pocket and go. And
there are my crystal clear specs.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and I just wanted to talk to you really quick about one of the most annoying things ever. Cleaning your glasses. You gotta try Peeps. The brush is there to wipe off any debris that you may have, and then the other side, it'll clean every nook and cranny right on your glasses. This is the best thing ever. It never scratches or damages your lenses. No messy sprays or dirty cloths, because you know we hate those. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. Happy cleaning.
So then all you're going to do is take the brush and you're just going to brush off any of the oil or debris and dust. Second step, you're just going to take the eco-friendly solution and then take the tongs, and then you're just going to go back and forth just like that. And you want to really make sure that you get the corners, because that's where the most buildup is. You can use this up to 500 times to clean your glasses, and it helps prevent from any damage or scratches.